Farmed professional.
Lexi is a 1-year-old Hispanic
Pacific
female,
termite
standing at
does
weighing 35 pounds with brown hair.
and the revolutionary ultra-soft destroys termites in the ground or wood. You don't touch, no bagging is included, and there's no need to move out during the application. So if you have seen
He's a
termites swarming,
32-year-old
call
Hispanic
Pacific
male
Coast
standing
Termites.
5
They're
feet and
A-plus
5
rated by
inches
the
tall,
Better Business
weighing
Bureau.
170 pounds, with
Pacific
brown
Coast
hair
Termite
and
has
brown
served
eyes.
listeners for 10
He
years
was
and
last
is
seen wearing
highly
a dark
recommended
shirt,
by Ty
dark
Pennington,
baseball
host
cap,
of the
and blue
Extreme
jeans.
Makeover TV show. Call
Additionally,
800
Daniel
Pacific.
Fader
With
has
over
numerous
50,000
tattoos on his
California
arm
homes
and
and
is
businesses treated, a
considered armed
2-year
and
warranty
dangerous.
on termite services
The
for the
suspect was last seen driving a 2012 Red Mitsubishi Galant with a California license plate number of 6W229.
Pacific.
It's Fader. Please call 911.